People have often asked me, really, why is the chiropractic adjustment necessary? It's pretty easy to tell that, again, a lot of us, if we've been in pain before, our body has that innate power, that ability to adapt and take care of pain. So people often ask, you know, my neck has hurt before, my back's hurt before, and you know, if I take a couple of aspirin or something, or I just rest, eventually it goes away. And yes, it does go away. That's that innate, beautiful power of the body. However, over time, again, let's say we're talking about some kind of a misalignment in your neck that's causing pain in your neck, okay? Over time, this nerve, as it gets pinched, more fibers get affected. And again, we talked before about nerve fibers and how some are function-related and some are pain-related. 75% of the fibers in a given nerve are function-related, 25% are pain. So if this nerve is being pinched and it's only getting function fibers that are affected, eventually it's going to take a long time before the pain one may show up. And by then it's going to take a lot longer to have that thing, again, recuperated and get it feeling better. On the flip side, if it's the pain fibers that are hit initially, then it can be cleared up pretty quickly, and we can reduce that pain and get back to normal function. But just for letting pain go and letting the body adapt to it, that's not really taking care of the problem. The problem is here in that misalignment, and that misalignment will still stay there. Rest and medication will not take care of that. So the problem is bound to reoccur. So that the adjustment is necessary to correct the situation at the source.